today's performances. Additionally, I am truly grateful to all audiences here today. Given that Korea and Pakistan are friendly countries, they share several common values and goals. This gala will help us get to know each other's cultures and further strengthen the foundation of our bilateral relations. Dear audience, soon talented artists from both countries will showcase mesmerizing performances on this wonderful stage. Obviously, you will fully enjoy each performances and give a warm applause to every artist. I also hope that we all will keep the spirit of Korea-Pakistan friendship in our hearts. Lastly, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to everyone who put their effort into making this event possible. Thank you so much.